All right, here we are unboxing life-size child from Mandalorian. Just took it out of this box. It's Reed and Tristan and me. And let's see what this thing is all about. We waited 6 months. And so it says, congratulations on acquiring the asset.
Yeah, it's a Mandalorian.
And I think this is like an authenticity card or something like that. So Tristan, can you take this guy out of here? These handles, it looks like. Yeah, I think you lift the cardboard up out of there. Anyways, this bad boy costs $450.
Reed, pull the box down.
It's a limited edition. I have no idea if it's worth that. Probably not, but YOLO. So, why not? So, attention, use caution during assembly. I hope there's no assembly. I don't want to put anything together. Okay.
You pull it.
So you pull that side, Reed. Ooh.
What's this? Oh,
This
those
is
are
just the
pieces.
packaging materials. All right. Let's see. Is he
What
all in
is it?
one piece? Yeah.
What is he supposed to do?
It smells.
You don't know who Baby Yoda is?
Yeah, he knows Baby Yoda. We're watching The
Why you say-
Mandalorian.
then why you say-
I think it's supposed to do, he thinks it's supposed to do something. Take that plastic thing off of him. Oh, carefully. Don't want to hurt his little ears there. Very, very realistic.
What is
Even a little hair on his head. So, I have other little Baby Yoda things. And this has got cooler hands.
Wait,
This
it's
actually
something-
has
this is
feet.
for, like, this is for him to
Usually
go.
they don't have feet. So pretty cool. That's the little stand he sits on there. So obviously hand painted and all that good stuff. To give you a size comparison, this is a life size, so this is actually what he's supposed to be. Here, Reed, stand right there. And you can hold him. He's kind of heavy, just hold him tight. All right, so that gives you a size comparison. Now we'll put him on his little stand. Let's see.
He's naked in
You want to do that,
inside.
Tristan? Put him on his little
He's
stand.
naked.
I think that goes the other way. There you go.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Set that maybe somewhere on this counter. And
Does it
think
talk or
it goes.
anything?
No, I don't think he talks or anything like that. And the little hole in his foot goes in the stand.
Not in one hole.
Look at his little hair on his head. I don't know if you can see that in the video.
Baby Yoda, doo-doo keeps falling out of him.
Yeah, there you go. So his little foot's pushed down on that. There you go. He's pretty cool. And then this is his little ball. It's from the Mandalorian's ship. I don't know if
He
it...
won't fit in there.
Probably, I'm guessing that this ball is magnetized
He's
to
not
one of his
supposed to fit
hands.
in here. This is the stick thingy.
So. All right, there he is. Pretty cool. I'd say he looks very, very realistic. And is, I don't know which number I got. It's a limited edition, so I'll find on one of these papers, probably telling me which number I got of the editions. Or maybe it's on his feet. I don't know. I'll have to look for it and see if I find it. Otherwise, there he is.